What's up, guys? So it's been an interesting few days. My wife's EF broke down yesterday and had to use my Civic to pull it home, so I got that to deal with. And so I've been driving the Civic a lot more since I straightened it up, and I'm noticing an exhaust leak, and I don't like the way it looks. It's like not lined up well. It's somebody kind of cobbled it together like I've done before. So probably pull that off today and start. Just say it looks like a hot mess under there, so I'm gonna pull it off and we'll worry about it tomorrow, because it's supposed to rain and that's when you want to do the welding. Okay, here's this exhaust. It is it's sitting like this almost, and it's got a ding in it, so let's see if we can see. It's a decent looking can, but yeah, it's got a few leaks. We're gonna go take it off at the bolts back there, and then we'll cut it off tomorrow and get it all aligned. We're struggling with this guy. Come on. We're almost there. There we go. We got it. Here we go. She's out. Welded a few not so pretty things, but this might be one of the worst I've ever seen. There's an exhaust leak there. There's a leak or two there. There, 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 and there, and there, and probably a few there. So I'm gonna have to weld all that up, and then I think I'm gonna have to, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I might have to cut it and then cut up like a pie out of it and then close it up and then re-weld it. It's dented and it's not perfect, but it'll work for now. It's a decent looking can. It's got a little ding in it right here, but you don't see that under the car. Honestly, I don't know. I might, depending on what size pipe I got, I might just cut it and extension on it, because I would like it to stick out a little past, because it's like right, it's literally sits completely flush with the bumper, and I want it to come out a little bit. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. And just for giggles, I'm gonna spray this stuff on there and just let it sit. Get some of the caca off of it. Nice. Here's the old coil spring. This is what I'm using. It's what I got. It'll match the rest of it since I'm going to continue to use this for now. So we're just going to plop that on there and plop that on there at some point. But I'm going to have to put it on the car first. Oh yeah. Alright, we got a few tacks on it. You like that? Hopefully it doesn't make a weird sound in there, but we'll see. Got a few tacks on this guy. We're gonna go hang the rest of the pipe on the car because it stopped raining, and then figure out where this needs to sit, tack it up, pull it off the car, weld all of it. I still gotta trim the bumper a little more, but it's not too bad. It looks terrible. It all looks terrible. But we're gonna keep that theme going. Alright, is it gonna start? Should be in neutral, yeah. It always starts. Oh.